grown up now. Don't be a child कि एक बुक दे दिया स्कूल ने वही फॉलो कर लो, एनसीईआरटी पढ़ लिया तो हो गया भैया, बोर्ड निकल गया. नहीं होता ऐसा अब. But arising from many of my videos comes the fourth question. As I said, I've provided the books for many of these entrances, saying that you need to study these books for clearing these entrances. So people ask me, are these books enough or do I need to study something else as well? See, again, the books or the texts that I've provided are suggestive of what you need to study as per the kind of questions that are asked in these universities. So, if the questions are very objective and easy, I suggest you an objective history book or a easy literary criticism book. But if the questions are insightful and they ask you deeper questions, then I suggest you a more insightful and detailed history of English literature book. All that I've tried till now in several of my videos is to provide you with strategies, with approaches, with viewpoints, with perspectives to look at these entrances, to analyze these entrances, and thus accordingly prepare your study timetables and set up your study books and routine and everything else. So the books that I've provided are only suggestive of what you need to do. But let's say I've asked you to follow Nair for EFLU and for DU for BHU entrance as well. And Nair is the basic book that I believe everyone should have read because it's a very easy book and very objective. You will have four options and you know which one is the answer. तो बहुत ही objective book है, बहुत ही easy reading, slow, interesting, not slow, मतलब बहुत ही easy reading and very interesting book it is, very legible. So very easy. So I believe that everyone who is a literature graduate or who is into literature and is trying to compete in an objective questions entrance should have read or should be considering Pramod K. Nair's A Short History of English Literature as a Bible. But let's say till now you were reading Deji's and you find it interesting, it was working for you, you would like going with it, preparing notes through it, everything you're doing with Deji's as your center. Now, because I put up this video and I asked you to read Nair, and you asked me that should you switch to Nair, I would say no. I would suggest you to stick to that book that you're following. See, different books on the same subject matter require different approaches. They are written by different people, of course, and so you, while reading it, need to have a different mindset. So, if Dekis has been working for you till now and you find it interesting and you're really into it, stick to that. Stick to that, have that, don't listen to me. Yes, don't listen to me. All the books that I've provided are only suggestive of what you need to have. But if you want to have any other book that is working for you, you are most welcome, and that is what you should do. You should listen to yourself and your mind and your heart, not me, not anyone else. Till the time the book you're following is of the same level as the kind of questions that are asked in the entrance, everything is well and good. But if you're following a book which of a lesser sensibility than the kind of questions that are asked, I would suggest you to uplift yourself, mobilize, and pick up a better book. That's all I have to say about the books. And just after this, with a bit of rephrasing the previous question, comes the fifth question. People send me a list of books, sometimes entrance preparation books of different publications, and they ask me, how is this book, Didi? Is this good for this entrance? The most prominent. Would I clear the entrance if I follow this book? Here comes your answer. No. Okay, not disheartening you, but there has not been one particular book that people would follow and they'll clear the entrances. Nothing of that sort has happened till now. If you someday publish a book of that kind, you would like, it would be a blessing to the mankind, let's say, or to this world. But this hasn't happened till now. And so to say that if you study this book, you'll clear is a very false statement and is a false promise. And if there is anyone on this earth making such a promise to you,
Run.
run away from them. They are as fake and as corrupt as they can be, as anyone can be. And so, the only thing that is genuine is a previous education paper. Of course, the universities can always change their format, but we are hopeful. Like, we are optimistic people who believe that the tradition will go on. So maybe the universities will follow their own bachelor syllabus, or maybe they would not change the question paper pattern and they would stick to the previous pattern and all that. We are very hopeful people. That's what we assume. But no one knows. No one knows clearly. No one knows. All I can suggest you is to analyze the previous question paper, follow the BA English syllabus, and study on your own. Self study is the only key. Be very clear with your British literature. For all of the literatures, you can either follow a book. Any book would do. Like for Indian, I can suggest you A.K. Malhotra or M.K. Naik. For American, I had this Nandana Datta book that I followed. But if you don't want to follow any particular book, all that you can do is to prepare a list of major writers and their major works and have a look at them. Like, read the summary of the works, have like read a bit about the writer, and that would do. You need not do much. For literary theory, I've suggested Nayar's contemporary literary and cultural theory. For history, I've suggested Nair and then Rutledge as well. So these are the books that we suggest you, and these are only suggestive. All these people who have succeeded in getting a seat have done that only through trial and error, trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work, only through reading a plethora of books. And if you ask me one particular book, I would never suggest you any. I don't know if there exists any particular book. You need to study. You need to study really very hard. You're a grown up now. Don't be a child कि एक बुक दे दिया स्कूल ने वही फॉलो कर लो एनसीईआरटी पढ़ लिया तो हो गया भैया बोर्ड निकल गया नहीं होता ऐसा अब नहीं होता पढ़ना होगा और बहुत हिस्ट्री के तुमको like you need to go through at least 2 to 3 publications of history books for just your British literature. And that is the minimum that you can do. That's the least that is expected of a graduate student. You are expected to follow at least 2 to 3 publications because different kind of publications have different approaches. For example, Compton Rickett is a very well written critical book. You know, if you are writing a long answer, Compton is the book that you can stick to. And then you also need to go for Routledge. Writing a history question requires you at least 3 to 4 history books. And if you haven't been doing this already, you are not an honest English literature student. And you do not deserve a seat in any university. Yes, you do not. इतना गुस्सा नहीं करती मैं. But then these questions are really very frustrating and I do not want to answer any of these. But I need to because I understand that people, there's so much going on, there's so much uncertainty. I do answer all these questions and I answer them personally. Like मैं copy paste नहीं करती और ये option भी नहीं होता Instagram पे पता नहीं because I send voice messages and you cannot copy paste voice messages. I don't know why you cannot forward it. So I need to record every single time these answers and it's very frustrating, really very frustrating. But still, you need at least 3 to 4 British literature books. You need at least one American literature book. You need at least one Indian literature book, history books. And then you need one literary criticism book. You need one literary theory book, at least one literary theory book, at least I'm saying. And then you need one literary terms book. You need them already for your bachelor's. And if you don't have them, I'm repeating it again, you're not an honest bachelor student. You're not a true English literature graduate, and you do not deserve to study further English literature. What least can you do if not study three books on a single topic? And what will you do in your master's then? What will you do in your research then? How would you understand what is the kind of research you need to do? And for your master's, you need to write a dissertation. If not a dissertation, you need to write long answers, and sticking to one particular book जहाँ पे oof, don't get me started on this, please. Okay, गुस्सा नहीं कर रहे, गुस्सा नहीं कर रहे. Listen, understand this. I'm a student myself. All that I've been telling you till now are based on my own experiences. There is no research going on. There is no copy pasting from any other website going on here. All that I'm telling you right now is based on my own experience. And the list that you sent me, I haven't read all these books. I haven't seen all these books. I haven't seen this Vishal publication, EFLU entrance preparation book. I haven't seen that. I don't know what's in there. So how can you expect me to comment on any of these? And I wouldn't do that. That's not fair at all. All I would say is that try to see the question papers that are asked, analyze them, and see if the book that you have or you're trying to buy or whatever, does the scope of the question paper and the scope of the book, does they match? If they do, follow that book. You don't need any other help. You don't need to listen to any person's opinion till the time the book that you have coincides or has a resemblance with the kind of questions that are asked in the university entrances. In addition to this, people ask me questions on EFLU entrance. See, EFLU is very different from all other universities, and I've talked about EFLU very comprehensively in a very detailed manner in my videos. I don't know why people don't like. See, it wouldn't take you more than 2 hours maybe to watch all the videos that I've made on entrance preparation. And on EFLU, half an hour or more, like maybe 45 minutes. That is all that you need to do. If you simply do that, you will not have to wait for more than a day to get the answers of the question you've asked me, because I've already answered them all in the video. See, for EFLU, there are two ways in which you can get into the university. One is through Specialized, the other is through cafeteria, and these two ask different kind of questions. And for cafeteria, people ask me कि दीदी एक suggest कर दो book. अरे बोला तो बैंक प्रिपरेशन, गवर्नमेंट जॉब प्रिपरेशन की कोई भी बुक उठा लो ना. Arihant maybe, because that's the most popular publication that is available. So Arihant bank preparation book, bank PO preparation book, or any SSB preparation book, because that's the kind of questions that EFLU asks for cafeteria. Reasoning, aptitude kind of questions, GK, GS, current affairs, English language. How can anyone suggest a book for that? Any बैंक प्रिपरेशन बुक वुड डू, तो कोई भी पढ़ लो ना क्या. See, I'm being very honest, and I didn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling here. I didn't mean to dishearten you or to discourage you or anything. I'm just being honest. And this is not what is expected of a bachelor's like English graduate student, or maybe someone who is graduating. For someone who is graduating, who is in first or second year, I understand these questions and I duly encourage you. In fact, I applaud you for being so enterprising that you are so focused on your master's entrance from now on only. But from a third year student or someone who is now graduating, नो मतलब चलो फॉर्म्स कब आ रहे हैं वो समझ में आता है, पर उसके लिए चेक द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ना। बट स्टिल आई आंसर देम ऑल, तो जाओ देख लो पढ़ लो जो करना है करो। ओके सो बाय, लाइक द वीडियो इफ यू लाइक्ड इट, शेयर एंड कमेंट इफ यू हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चन दैट यू नीड टू आस्क, and then subscribe to the channel and don't be afraid of asking me questions. I'm not a very chill out type of person, मतलब I'm a very chill out kind of person, not chill out ऐसा frustrated और गुस्सा कर, मैं नहीं करती गुस्सा, वो बस ये questions इतने silly है, but yeah if you have a silly question too you can ask me, it's okay, मैं नहीं करूँगी गुस्सा, डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ मी। अगर सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा, नहीं करोगे तो क्या मतलब, कर लोगे तो तुम्हारा कुछ जाएगा नहीं, बेल आइकन दबा दो तो नोटिफिकेशन आएंगे, देखने का मन होगा तो देख लेना, नहीं मन होगा तो मत देखना, दबा दो, मगर किया जा रहा है, मतलब दबाना भी नहीं होता है, क्लिक करना होता है और मतलब टैप करना होता है, टच करना होता है, तो डू दैट, कम ऑन, एंड we are soon reaching 1K. That is really very amazing. I don't know, time नहीं मिल पा रहा, there's so much that I've planned and there's so many surprises that I have for you. तो चल रहा है बहुत कुछ, I'm really very you know packed up with everything going around. और अभी सेकेंड सेमेस्टर भी स्टार्ट हुआ है एंड देयर सो मेनी रीडिंग्स दैट वी नीड टू डू ऑलरेडी। बाय बाय, लव यू, बाय बाय।